Welcome to How It's Fixed. In today's video, we will take out the side mirror of 2018 Toyota RAV4. But first, we need to take out the door panel. For that, I'm attaching a link right on top. It's a fairly straightforward process, and once you're done watching the door panel takeout process, the rest of this video will start making sense to you. That was it.